Hey everybody, this is Levi from BayFoils here today, and we are on Fliteboard's website right now, and we're going to take a look at their newest page that they have on here. So if you are new to the channel, please like, subscribe, do all that fun stuff, but this is going to be a real short video, so let's just get straight into it. If you go over here, go to the events tab, you can see that Fliteboard now has a super sweet calendar that sorts all your nearest demo days. So if you don't know what a demo day is, flight partners such as ourselves, we have inventory on hand and water access. And a demo day is where we get people out on the water for a much lower price than a full one-on-one lesson, and sometimes even for free. And so these are great opportunities to get on the water, try a Fliteboard out before committing multiple thousands of dollars on your purchase. These are really helpful because it can be a little bit tricky in terms of like selecting a board, selecting a wing, especially if you're like an enthusiast and really want to get into efoiling. You want to try a couple wings out before making that purchase, so you know you're getting a rig that you're going to be super stoked on. And so you can see here, we got our demo day dates on the calendar already. We've got, you can see other partners on the West Coast here. We got OC Foil, Tobler Marine, Lifestyle Wake, all these West Coast partners, because it knows I'm on the West Coast, and showing me all these different days. So this is going to be really great to get potential new buyers in touch with their local partner and arrange a demo before making that purchase. Again, this is to really benefit the end users. Obviously you can just go online and buy right away, but we all recommend trying it before you're buying it. That way, you're 100% confident in your purchase. And also, it's a little bit safer. We can show you how to operate the efoil in a real safe environment. A lot of people who take a lesson first just have much more success than somebody who tries to learn on their own. Trust me, I taught myself on my own, and it took me like 4 times as long as, people who I have taught, because it's not super intuitive. It's not the same as other water sports. And if you approach it like you do with a different water sport, you might not have great results. So, but that's basically it. This calendar's great. We're really looking forward to a super awesome season, getting a lot of people, new people on the water. And then also existing customers. We're going to have available at all of our demo days the new performance masts that are coming out. So the performance aluminum and the carbon fiber Mark Newson masts. We're going to have an Ultra L available for demo. I don't know when, but eventually we're going to have the new Mark Newson controllers when those arrive. We're going to have all the cool new toys for 2024 for people to try out in case if you want to upgrade your rig from last year. If you're ready to start riding some waves, we can get you into an Ultra with a Nano and the Foldy prop with a carbon mast. So let's have a great year. We'll see you in the next video.